Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be talking about pouring beans from jug to a jug lesson from the Montessori Practical Life Unit. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and like button. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53. The Montessori pouring beans lesson activity is a delightful and educational experience designed for children aged 2.5 to 3 years. This engaging exercise utilizes two identical jugs, beans, a tray, and a mat, providing a hands-on opportunity for young learners to develop essential skills in a fun and interactive way. At the heart of this activity is the direct aim, teaching children how to pour beans from one jug to another. This seemingly simple task is rich with learning potential. As children transfer beans from the right jug to the left and back again, they practice fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. These skills are crucial for their overall development and play a significant role in their ability to engage in more complex tasks as they grow. The act of pouring beans also encourages concentration and patience. Children must focus on the task at hand, carefully controlling their movements to avoid spilling. This aspect of the activity teaches them the importance of being mindful and present, skills that are beneficial not only in educational settings but also in daily life. By mastering the art of pouring, children gain confidence in their abilities, fostering a sense of independence that is a cornerstone of Montessori education. An essential component of this lesson is the control of error. The noise created by spilling beans serves as an immediate feedback mechanism, allowing children to recognize their mistakes and learn from them. This auditory cue helps them develop awareness and encourages careful handling of materials. Instead of feeling discouraged by spills, children learn to view them as opportunities for growth and improvement. This mindset is vital in fostering resilience and a positive attitude toward learning. To enhance the learning experience, extensions of this activity can be introduced. For example, incorporating smaller grains, such as rice, can increase the challenge and refine pouring skills. The smaller size of the grains requires greater precision and control, pushing children to develop their abilities further. Additionally, using smaller jugs or containers can further develop hand control and precision. This variation not only makes the activity more challenging but also encourages children to adapt their techniques as they learn. Another engaging extension involves practicing the skill of picking up spilled beans or rice with their fingers. This activity promotes dexterity and fine motor strength, essential skills for tasks like writing and self-care. By incorporating this extension, children learn to be resourceful and develop problem-solving skills as they figure out how to clean up their spills effectively. Variations can also be incorporated to keep the activity fresh and engaging. Different types of beans or rice can be used, allowing children to explore various textures, colors, and sizes while they pour. This not only makes the activity more interesting but also introduces an element of sensory play. Sensory experiences are crucial for young children as they help them understand the world around them and stimulate their cognitive development. The pouring beans lesson is a perfect example of how Montessori education emphasizes hands-on learning. By allowing children to engage in practical life activities, they gain independence and confidence. The skills developed through this lesson extend beyond the classroom, laying a foundation for future learning experiences. Children who participate in such activities are more likely to approach new challenges with curiosity and enthusiasm. In addition to the skills mentioned, this activity also fosters social interaction when done in a group setting. Children can take turns pouring beans, which encourages cooperation and sharing. They learn to communicate with one another, discussing their techniques and helping each other improve. This social aspect of learning is vital for developing interpersonal skills that will serve them well throughout their lives. The Montessori pouring beans lesson is more than just a simple activity. It is a multifaceted learning experience that promotes concentration, coordination, patience, and control. By incorporating extensions and variations, educators can adapt the lesson to meet the diverse needs of young learners, ensuring that each child benefits from this enriching activity. Through pouring beans, children not only learn essential skills but also discover the joy of learning through play. Moreover, the pouring beans activity aligns with the Montessori philosophy of education, which emphasizes respect for the child's natural development. This approach allows children to learn at their own pace, fostering a love for learning that can last a lifetime. The freedom to explore and experiment within a structured environment encourages children to take ownership of their learning journey. In conclusion, the Montessori pouring beans lesson is a valuable addition to any early childhood education program. It provides a rich, hands-on experience that supports the development of essential skills while fostering independence and confidence. By engaging in this activity, children not only learn how to pour but also develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. The lessons learned through pouring beans will serve them well as they continue their educational journey, equipping them with the tools they need to succeed in school and beyond. This approach to learning, rooted in the Montessori philosophy, ensures that children are not just passive recipients of knowledge but active participants in their own growth and development. This ends this video for today. Thank you for watching.